Home Run Rock Chip Repair receives consistently positive reviews for its excellent service and professional approach, especially from customers who value prompt appointments and clear communication. Customers praise Alfred, the owner, for his attention to detail and dedication to quality work. Many reviewers highlight the competitive pricing and the ability to support a local business as a significant advantage. If you have sustained rock chip damage to your windshield, call Home Run Rock Chip Repair as soon as possible to get the damage repaired before it becomes a much bigger problem for you. Contact us now